Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Thai Lion Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search flights button at the bottom of the page. So first you have to select if it's a return or a one-way trip. Then you have to select the origin country. So you can search or you can just scroll down. And then you have to select the destination as well. And then you have to set the departure date. And lastly, you have to select the passengers, so the number of adults, child or infant traveling with you. And you can do that by clicking on the plus sign above them. And then just click on the search flights button. And as you can see, there were no flights found for that specific date, so just try with another time. Or with different departure and origin country. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.